Hi, today we are going to discuss about the questions from permutation and combinations. So one of the type of questions is digit based questions. So this type of questions are frequently asked. So let us look at this question which we have selected. So we'll understand the concepts through the question. So the question states that if we write all the natural numbers from 1 to 100, how many times digit 5 will appear and in how many numbers will it appear? So these are two different questions. Now let us, as we are already familiar with finding out in how many numbers 5 will appear. It's nothing but the number of the natural numbers that are containing 5. So let us start with this. So from 1 to 100 you will have a single digit number that can contain 5 type of different types of numbers. There can be a single digit number and there can be a double digit number. So how many single digit numbers are there that contain 5? There is only one, which is nothing but 5 itself. Next, how many double digit numbers are there that contains 5? Now let us assume that 5 is in units place. This is one of the case, and in another case 5 is in tens place. So when 5 is in units place, we can fill the tens place with digits from 1 to 9. So there are 9 options. Now when 5 is in tens place, we can fill this digit, that is the units digit. We have options from 0 to 9. So we have total 10 options. So total number of digits it's not total number of digits. The numbers that contain 5 are 1 plus 9 plus 9. It's not 10, because here what have we done here? While selecting from 1 to 9, we have selected 5 and 5, and here while putting the 5 in tens place and while selecting the units digit from 0 to 9, we have also selected 5 because 5 is included in 0 to 9. Now there will be a double counting of number 55. So we need to count it only once. So that's why instead of 10 I have taken 9 over here. So total will be 19. So there are 19 such numbers that contain the digit 5. Now after this, we will now look at this question, this part of the question. How many times digit 5 will appear? So when the other part of the question is how many times digit 5 will appear. So in order to solve this part, the basic understanding which you need to have is, whenever you write a number that is containing 5, digit 5 will appear. So there are 19 such numbers that contain 5. There are 19 such numbers that contain 5. So digit 5 will definitely appear in 90 numbers. Digit 5 will appear 19 times. Now, because in each number there will be at least one 5, because the 19 numbers are such that they contain 5. Now if we take this peculiar number called 55, this number, while during the first part of the question, wherein we have calculated how many numbers have 5 in them. We got the answer for this as 19 because we have counted "55" only once. We have not counted 55 twice. Whereas how many, for the second part of the question, that is how many times 5 will appear. So in 55 it is appearing twice. 5 is appearing twice. So total numbers that contain 5 are 19, and in these 19 numbers, how many times 5 will appear is 20, because in 55 5 is appearing twice. So we need to count 55 twice. That is the reason why we are getting 20. Now is there any shortcut to solve this question without going through the traditional way which we have done earlier? So the thing is, for every consecutive hundred numbers, a digit will appear "20" times in 19 numbers. This can be generalized. So there is one particular instance where this won't work, that we will deal later, but in most of the cases this will work. So for every consecutive 100 numbers, a digit will appear 20 times in 19 numbers. Now let us look at another question. Here the question says the number of times digit 5 will be written. It is nothing but how many times digit 5 will appear while listing the integers from 1 to 1000. From 1 to 1000. Now, how many times digit 5 will appear? Now, if as we know, from 1 to 100, how many times it will appear? 20 times, because for 100 consecutive natural numbers it will appear 20 times. Now from 100 to 200, again 100 consecutive natural numbers, it will appear 20 times. From 200 to 300, again 100 consecutive natural numbers, it will appear another 20 times. From 300 to 400, again 100 consecutive natural numbers, it will appear another 20 times. From 400 to 500, again 100 consecutive natural number, it will appear 20 times. Now from 500 to 600, let us leave this, because see, here in this case there are 100 consecutive natural numbers, but still it won't appear 20 times, because common sense says that if you list all the numbers from 500, 501, 502, so on till 599, there are how many numbers? 100 numbers. 100 numbers will definitely contain this 5, because each number will start with 5. In addition to this 100, there will be something like 550, 551 till 559. So there are another 10 numbers. So 110 plus. In addition to this, there are numbers such as 555, which needs to be counted thrice. So we'll look at it. So this won't be 20. So the exemption which I have set for this rule, you can find it here, and the reason for the exemption is also explained. So we'll look at this later. Now again, from 600 to 700, it will appear 20 times in 19 numbers, and from 700 to 800, similarly it will appear 20 times in 19 numbers. From 800 to 900, again it will appear 20 times in 19 numbers. From 900 to 999, again it will appear 20 times in 19 numbers. Now let us understand in depth what is happening between the numbers from 500 to 600. As we know, we will definitely get 100, because 501, 502, from 500 to 599, if we list down each the hundredth place will contain 5. Those are the 100 such numbers, so 5 will appear 100 times. Next, there are 10 such numbers where 5 is appearing twice. 550, 551, 552. Not only 10, there are more than 10, that we'll discuss later. Now there are 10 such numbers where in the tens place where 5 is appearing, so that 10 numbers should be counted. Now there will be 10 another such places where 5 will appear in the tens place as well. Along with the hundredths place, 5 will appear in the tens place as well. 505, 515, 525, 535, so on. Last number will be 595. So there are 10. Now you may have a doubt, sir, what about 555? Has it been counted thrice? So from 1 to 100 we have taken all the, so from 500 to 599 we have taken 100 numbers. So in this 555 will be there, so it is counted once. Again from here 550, 551, 552 we have taken. So in this again there will be a 555, it is counted another time. So twice it has been counted. Again here when we have taken this, we are only changing the unit, the tens place here. So it is 505, 515, 525, 535. Then there will be 555 as well here. So it has been counted thrice. So that has been taken care. 120 times it will appear. So simply write 120 here. So how many times it will appear is 300 times. This is the shortest way to do it. Now the only exemption to this earlier rule which I have stated is that for every consecutive natural numbers, if the digit of those consecutive natural numbers, say from 5, if it is from 500 to 600, and if it is starting from, if this starting digit is the digit which we are looking in the question, then it will appear 120 times instead of 20 times. And why it will appear 120 times, we have already discussed it here. So it will appear 300 times. So this is the shortest possible way to solve this question. Now, if somebody asks you how many times digit 7 will appear, so it will be same. How many times digit 1 will appear, digit 2 will appear, digit 3 will appear, digit 4 will appear, digit 5 will appear, digit 6 will appear, digit 7 will appear. Everything will be 8 and 9. It will be 300. Now ask yourself another question. How many times digit 1 will appear? So digit 1 will appear 301 time. So this can be easily done if you go through this process again. You will get the 301. So there is another method to solve this question. If you are good at permutation and combination, you can use this method. So we are looking for the number of times 5 will appear. So I am putting 5 over here. There will be cases where 5 is appearing in the units place. There will be cases 5 is appearing in the tens place. There will be cases where 5 is appearing in the hundreds place. Now let us solve this case. So when 5 is appearing here, I can put any digit from 0 to 9. So I have 10 options. Now when 5 is appearing here, now for this case also, for this hundreds place also, I can put any digit from 0 to 9. So I have 10. So 10 into 10 is 100 over here. Now you may ask a question. Sir, you have selected a 3-digit number, putting 5 over here, and you are giving 0 as the choice. Even then we don't face any problem. Even if it is 0 0 here, we are covering the single digits. Even when it is put 0 1 5 over here, we are covering the double digits. Now another case where the 5 is put in the tens place. So from at the hundreds place we can put anything from 0 to 9, and at the units place we can put anything from 0 to 9. So 10 into 10, so we are getting 100. Now you may ask a question that 0 5, it is being counted here. It has not been counted here, because if we put another 0 here, that is different from this. This is 5, this is 50. So basically if we put 0 in the hundreds place over here, we are dealing with 2-digit numbers. Next, if we put 5 over here, then we can put anything from 0 to 9, and we can put anything from 0 to 9 over here. So there are 10 choices over here, there are 10 choices over here. So total 100. So number of times 5 will appear is 100 from here, 100 from here, and 100 from here. Total is 300. This is another way to solve this question. So best optimal way will be to understand this particular point. You yourself can write, say, all the numbers from 1 to 100 that are containing 5. You will get 19 such numbers, and 5 will appear 20 times. So that can be generalized to every consecutive 100 natural numbers, provided the number that which you are searching. For example, 5, and the starting digit of that consecutive natural number, if it is starting with the same digit, then it will appear 120 times instead of 20 times. So this is the method to solve this question. Thank you for listening to me.